Take 3. The mother hen will quit using swear words so we can share this with children.
Come on, come on, come on.
And quit using swear words. These are just baby chicks. They don't want to hear that. Guys, there's the queen of the mountain there. Whoa, hey, one came out. Come outside so we can clean your cage.
Can't believe you're cold.
I don't think they're cold. They just don't want to come out. Oh. Can you watch your language? You guys are awful cute. Whoa, one brave one. Are you like Liza Point 2? She's got a mask on. Dust. Yeah, 12 of them over there. And they're 2 weeks old. They're just not used to freedom. Seem a little suspicious.
You guys are knuckleheads. Give you a chance to get out, you're too suspicious. Come on.
Here, guys. That might get him. Look, fresh food. Come get some.
You knuckleheads. Now you're just in the way. You got a piece of grass. Nobody's chasing you. Settle down.
Oh, you're a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird.
Look how big this guy is. That gray one compared to like this one.
Mm-hmm.
He's almost twice as big. But this one's pretty close, so those two are kind of the same. But man, as far as their wings, I can't tell.
They've grown a lot in 2 weeks.
Yeah, they have. They all look like they got 2 rows of wings to me.
Hooray, maybe they're all girls. Hooray.
Yeah.
We want you to be girls. Thank heaven for little girls. Aw, that was a cute noise.
Made it about 2 steps in the big old world. Come on, you guys, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go.
This is your big cinematic debut.
Let's go.
They're not snuggle chickens. But they're pretty cute. All right. That's it for this video, guys. Peace out.